Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to remap your modifier keys if you're using macOS with a standard Windows keyboard layout. Windows layouts are pretty different from standard MacBook keyboards or official Apple accessories. Because of this, when you connect a Windows keyboard to your Mac, keys like Command, Option, and Control are usually in completely different spots. So you'll definitely want to remap them to match your muscle memory. First, go ahead and open up your system settings. Scroll all the way down and select Keyboard. Next, click on the Keyboard Shortcuts button. A new window will pop up. Just scroll to the bottom of this list and click on Modifier Keys. Now look at the Select Keyboard dropdown. Make sure you've selected the exact keyboard you want to modify. Below that, you'll see two columns. The left column shows the physical keys actually printed on your keyboard, and the right column shows the macOS functions you can assign to them. This setup can be a little confusing at first. Usually, the main three keys we need to change are Control, Option, and Command. Here's a quick tip to make this easier. Change the action for all three of these keys to No Action right off the bat. This way, pressing them does absolutely nothing, which gives you a clean slate to work with and prevents any mix-ups. Now you can start reassigning them one by one. Just make a change, test it out, and adjust things until it feels perfectly natural for your workflow. For example, on my physical keyboard, I'm going to change the Option key to act as the Command function. Then I'll hit Done and test it out. Once I see it's working exactly how I want, I'll keep that setting and move on to the rest. In my specific case, the physical Control key is already exactly where I want it, so I'll leave it alone. But for the physical Command key, I'll switch its function to Option. And that's it! That is how you perfectly map your physical Windows keys to macOS functions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.